Imagine walking outside one morning, and suddenly, the air feels heavy. You take a deep breath, except there's nothing to breathe. No oxygen. Not a single molecule. The entire planet has gone oxygen-free for just 5 minutes. Scary? Definitely. But what exactly would happen? Let's find out. First, let's clear something up. Oxygen isn't just what we breathe. It's a building block of life and nature. Around 21% of the air is oxygen, and without it, your body would instantly feel the pressure. Within 15 seconds, most people would lose consciousness. Athletes who can hold their breath? Sure, they might last a little longer. But remember, this isn't just about humans holding their breath. This is about Earth itself losing oxygen everywhere at once. So what happens to the planet? Well, all the water on Earth, yes, oceans, lakes, even the ice caps, is 2 parts hydrogen, 1 part oxygen. Without oxygen, water molecules would break apart. That means oceans literally turn into hydrogen gas, which is highly flammable. Imagine the entire ocean just vanishing into a giant, invisible, explosive cloud. Not great. Next, the sky itself would look different. Normally, oxygen helps scatter sunlight, giving us that beautiful blue sky. Without it, the sky would turn pitch black in the daytime. It would feel like standing in space. Sunlight hitting your skin, but no soft blue above you. And here's a creepy one. All buildings made of concrete would collapse. Why? Because concrete is held together by oxygen molecules. Without them, the material would crumble instantly, turning cities into piles of dust. Steel structures would remain standing, but skyscrapers and bridges? Gone. Now let's think about fire. Fire needs oxygen to burn. So in this oxygenless world, all flames would vanish instantly. Forest fires, candles, stoves, poof. At first, that might sound like a good thing, but remember that oxygen also holds our atmosphere together. Without it, the pressure of the air would drop by about 21%. That sudden change would make your eardrums burst. Painful doesn't even begin to describe it. And don't forget your car. Internal combustion engines rely on oxygen. With none around, cars, planes, and pretty much every machine that burns fuel would stall instantly. Imagine thousands of planes falling from the sky at the same time. But the scariest part comes next. The ozone layer. Ozone is made of oxygen atoms, and it shields us from the sun's deadly ultraviolet rays. Without oxygen, ozone disappears in seconds. The sun's radiation would hit Earth directly, burning skin and damaging cells immediately. Even 5 minutes of this exposure could cause massive long-term harm. So what's the big reveal? Earth itself would never be the same. Losing oxygen, even for 5 minutes, would cause irreversible damage. Oceans gone, cities crumbled, radiation pouring in. And even though oxygen magically returns after 5 minutes, the planet we knew wouldn't bounce back. Life as we know it would be done. Pretty wild, right? Luckily, this is just a thought experiment. Oxygen isn't going anywhere. But it does make you appreciate how fragile and perfectly balanced our planet really is. So what do you think? Would humans even have a chance to survive in some underground bunkers? Or would Earth just reset completely? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if you enjoyed this mind-bending what if scenario, don't forget to hit like, share this with your curious friends, and subscribe for more science meets imagination adventures. Because who knows what we'll ask next?